Hi friends, I'm Melissa and I have another box to open with you. Look how pretty it is. This is the Erin Condren seasonal box. I don't think it's a subscription. I think you just, every time it comes out, you can buy it before it runs out. I did get an email right whenever it came out and I immediately jumped on it. I've never bought from Erin Condren before, but I had been looking at their teacher planners and they are very pricey. I've never bought planners like this before. I just graduated with my associates, so I'm just getting started, but I seen this box and people were going crazy for it on Instagram, so I just kind of jumped in on it to kind of see if I really do want to go ahead and get their planner. And I just kind of wanted to see what they had and the quality, and if I, do I really want to spend a lot of money, and I mean a lot. It's pretty pricey, but anyways, let's see what the quality is and what it's like. So first, when you open it up, it says something beautiful is on the horizon, and then it has its little paper, tissue paper, and then there's a card in here. Says summer seasonal surprise box is here. The theme is something beautiful on the horizon. Ready to reduce stress and embrace much needed joy this summer? We've curated this joyful, colorful collection of summer surprises to inspire and delight you. Tap into your creativity with this beautiful reversible box, bursting with Erin's new crafting faves, stylish sneak peeks, and exclusives. I hope every layer of color across the journal, note cube and stickers, every glimmer of light across the glitter planner, sleeve, and zipper pouch, and every spark of creativity in this fun crafting essentials bring you joy and inspiration. There's something beautiful on the horizon. I would love to hear from you and what you think about this box. P.S. Make sure you tag us on social so you can give us your feedback and let us know what you want to see next season. Okay, and then back here it has what came in the box, and I guess, just what came in the box. I don't see any prices. On the bottom it says, all in a reversible box that you can turn inside out and use again. Want to win next season's box? Upload an original unboxing video to YouTube by July 31st, 2020 and use this hashtag. So that's pretty cool. I can enter to maybe win another box, which would be great. Alright, so let's see. On the Go Petite Planner Sleeve. I was wondering if this was a product. It's kind of just like a glittery plastic. If I can get it out. Okay, yeah, it's just a glittery plastic sleeve. I'm a little confused by it. Maybe it folds over like this. We'll see in a minute. Yeah. Okay. It's kind of cute. I think this is a bag. Summer Memories Petite Note. Layers Note Cube. 8. Okay, this is the sneak peek textured zipper pouch. It feels very thin, I would say. I don't really know. I mean, it looks high quality, and the inside it's pretty high quality. That's good cloth, but I'm not really sure about the outside. I feel like maybe it would get snagged. I don't know. It might be better than I think. Sometimes things are just better than you think. But this is cute. I like that. Let's see. Yeah. Alright. This is the Layers Note Cube. Oh, cute. It's just got that pattern. Those are cute. Could use those for sure. Glue tape. It's a sneak peek. Glue, fix, craft, and create anytime, anywhere with easy, mess-free glue tape. I've never actually used glue tape, so we'll see how it works. Or I will see how it works. I don't really know. Let's see what this is. A pocket scissors. Cut, craft, and create on the go with these portable pin-style pocket scissors. Interesting. And then we got a couple packs of stickers. This one. Oh, it's upside down. Sorry, guys. And then this one. Those are cute. Fun summer stickers. This says sticker paper sticker book. Sticker paper sticker book. Pretty outside. What do you do with this, guys? It's so pretty. I like it, but what's it for? Sticker paper sticker book. I don't know what that means. But anyways, these are cute. They look like little backgrounds, like you could put pictures on them. And this is Something Beautiful is on the Horizon. This is the Summer Memories Petite Journal. Now this stuff is really cute, and if I remember correctly, this box was $40. So if I paid 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, no, you would have to pay more. Oh wait, no, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Yeah, no, unless you count this thing too. If each thing was $5, that's $40. Which I might actually spend, but in their store, the stuff costs quite a bit more on some things. So, I mean, it's worth it if you were going to buy it anyway. But personally, like, when I shop this store, it's going to be, like, minimal. I'm going to get the things that I need, such as, like, I might buy the portfolio case once, and then, you know, the other thing would be like the planner itself. But then everything else, I'm probably gonna try and do the seasonal box, because I don't want to spend that much money on the individual things, because I think The books like this were like $15, and I don't know about these other things, but like you could get books of stickers for like $15, and I don't know, I guess it's just because I'm new to all of this that it just seems really pricey. Maybe when I get to actually using it, it might become more valuable to me. I feel like that might be the case, and maybe people value it a lot more than I do right now, you know, but it just seems kind of high. Let's see if this works real quick. But like the pens and stuff, I probably won't buy those extra things. But I just feel very drawn to the teacher planner book, and I just want it so badly. I hope it's as good as like the reviews and everything is on it if I actually buy it. I think this is how it works, guys. Yeah, it makes it glittery. That's fun. That's very cute. And there's pages like this. And then there's just like notebook pages. Yeah. You never know until you go, it says. But it's mostly notebook pages, and then every once in a while there's little boxes and circles. So, I'm not a planner, but I might become one. These are so pretty. But, anyways, thanks for tuning in. Have a good day. Bye.